Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So first of all, my friends, I'm very happy to say that my EURUSD signal from the last weekly analysis video has actually hit the take profit level and has been activated. As we can see, I have sent here a signal to sell the pair from 1.087, and as we can see, the pair has indeed reversed from 1.0874, and right now it hit the take profit level, making at least 68 pips of profit. As we can see, the pair has indeed reached 1.080. So it was a fantastic signal, and I hope you guys have taken it. Please let me know in the comments if you took this signal and indeed if you have made profits. Now, what's next with the EURUSD? That's the question. Now, first of all, allow me to delete the old signal, and let me just share with you something that based on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right here is a very clear broken out level of a supported trend line. And as we can see right here, the market right now is reversing right here at a level of a support at 1.080, which was of course our take profit level. Now, most likely what we can see right here in the EURUSD based on the 4-hour time frame is a very clear head and shoulders pattern, which seems to be respected, and the EURUSD will indeed continue the fall after reaching that level of a broken supported trend line. Now, just to confirm this, let me just move to the daily chart to show you the price action. Sorry. So right now, of course, the price action here in the EURUSD is very obvious for the fall, in my opinion. And now we have seen that the market actually has rejected the breakout from the level of a resistance at 1.088, which means this level of a resistance is holding the pressure, and most likely right now the EURUSD, if we apply here the Fibonacci retracement, will continue the fall toward Fibonacci 61.8, which means the pair still has around 43 pips more to go. So where exactly can we short the EURUSD? That's the question. Now, since the pair is actually reversing on a level of a support, then we can actually expect to resell the pair again exactly right here at the nearest level of a key resistance at 1.084, which was also a broken level of a support. Not only that, but by moving now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this level actually matches up with that broken level of a supported trend line. Therefore, if the EURUSD will continue the rise, it will most likely be respecting the previous level of a resistance right here, and also retesting the broken level of a support trend line, and hopefully creates a new resistance trend line. So looking to short the EURUSD right from this level, targeting the nearest level of a key resistance right here at 1.076, which means our take profit level will be placed right here at 1.076, targeting not less than 72 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than our previous entry at 1.087, which means the safe zone will be ranging for 30 pips against 73 pips of profit. That's everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, my friends, has also been activated. As we can see, the pair has reversed exactly, or maybe not yet. Nope, to be honest, nope. It reversed just like 2 pips far away from 1.289, which is really a bummer. I'm not really sure if we can claim this signal as worked one. It has indeed fell for around 81 pips. I mean, I believe maybe we can take the credit of it. I mean, the credit, maybe we deserve it. I don't know, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. Anyway, we cannot be unfair with everybody, so therefore I will not claim this signal. However, what's next later with the GBPUSD? Now, based on the weekly chart, we can see that the market is still ranging at that level of a broken resistance right here. Therefore, we can still say that the GBPUSD might actually continue the fall. But before that, so of course, we have today is gonna be, in my opinion, fine for the traders, but tomorrow, Wednesday, is gonna be a very busy day for the traders. So we have a lot of interruptions for these signals. We have the CPI for the Australian dollar, we have Bank of Japan policy rate, we have the FOMC, of course, which might actually change the entire directions of these signals that you are receiving here in this video. So for that, my friends, please be careful and wise about these signals. And of course, if you guys join our free group of Telegram, I will update you right here and send you reminders to close the trades accordingly before it actually reach the stop loss or actually being cancelled. Remember that you can actually join this Telegram channel through the link in the description below of this video. Make sure to join it today and trade with the Xtreme Trader team, and do not trade by yourself. So of course, this is not everything. I mean, Thursday we have of course the ISM PMIs for the USD dollar. Then we have the monetary policy summary for the pound, official bank rate for the pound, and then of course Friday we have our favorite, which is the non-farm payroll and unemployment rates. So we have to be very careful, my friends, when we are trading these signals. Most likely these news will ruin them. However, back now to the 4-hour time frame. In my opinion, the pound USD actually is respecting this level of a resistance right here at 1.285, and most likely it will actually continue respecting it. So therefore, I believe that we can still short the pound USD exactly right here at the peak of the resistance right there at 1.286, which means we have to wait for the pair to rise to another 17 pips, and then it will most likely gonna continue the fall. For another reason, of course, is by looking at the 4-hour time frame. We have right here, of course, the broken level of a supported trend line, and seems like the market is indeed respecting that level as a new resistance trend line. Not only that, but we can see here, of course, a strong downtrend on this pair, and most likely the pound USD will continue the fall respecting that trend line. So therefore, selling the pound USD at 1.286, targeting of course the bottom level of the real support at 1.278, which means we will actually look to around at least 85 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key support right here at 1.290, ranging for around 37 pips. Moving now to the AUDUSD. So now for the AUDUSD, as you can see, the market is indeed falling, but it hasn't hasn't reached our sell level yet. So now what's next with this pair? We will simply keep selling the AUDUSD, but now lowering our entry to be right here exactly at the peak of the resistance at 0.656, which we can see right here. Yesterday the market indeed has reversed exactly on the same level of a resistance right here, which was in the past a key resistance. So therefore AUDUSD signal almost remains the same by just adjusting the entry to be a little bit lower at 0.656. It's a minor change, but actually it might be make a big impact or big difference. We have to wait for the pair to rise to another 20 pips before we can short it, targeting at least 87 or 88 pips of profit. That's everything for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. So now regarding USDCAD, as you can see, my friends, we are still unable to give any analysis on this pair. Even yesterday's daily candle is still moving in a very strong bullish movement. In my opinion, this is one of the worst markets you can ever find, and you really definitely don't want to trade in this market when it's moving in a very strong bullish movement or actually upper trend like that. So we have to skip the USDCAD and actually replace it with the USDJPY. So here is the USDJPY. Now, remarkably for the USDJPY, it actually has dropped for around 1,000 pips over the last month. I mean, that's really insane. And that means that the pair is most likely going to continue the fall. However, the pair actually has reversed or actually reached that level. Let me just move to the weekly chart to show it to you. So right here we can see that the pair has indeed reached that level of a broken resistance right here at 151.915. Now, we already have a support number 1 and currently support number 2. Now, does that mean that the USDJPY will continue the rise? I actually doubt that, for a simple reason, is we have here, of course, let me just now move back to the daily chart. We have here, of course, a broken level of a support trend line. So meaning the USDJPY most likely will continue the rise till it reach that level of a broken supported trend line to create, of course, a new resistance trend line. But that's gonna happen after the market rise to another 260 pips, reaching that level of a resistance right here, and afterward it will actually retest the broken level of a supported trend line, which means, in my opinion, it's not gonna be a bad idea to buy the USDJPY till it reach that level. So meaning what we are doing here is trading the pullback and most likely the correction, and the USDJPY eventually will continue the fall after reaching that level of a broken support story. So therefore, I would like to highlight that this will be actually our take profit level, and don't underestimate it. That's gonna be actually happening after 130 pips. USDJPY is giving pips more than the gold right now. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame, even 1-hour time frame, to find our decent entry. So what we can do right now based on the 1-hour time frame, first of all, we will apply of course the Fibonacci retracement, and as you can see, the pair is indeed reversing multiple times at 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. So in my opinion, waiting for the pair to fall again to this level is going to be our safest option to trade the USDJPY. For another reason, of course, is using the support trend lines. We can notice that the market is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line. And by that, USDJPY actually has a good chance to fall again and then rise again toward Fibonacci 50, which is going to be, of course, our take profit level. So therefore, if you guys want another kind of confirmation, we can actually find it. I mean, no matter what I do, it will always point to the same entry. Let me apply now the magic of trend lines, which I'm sure now many of you really like it. So what we will do, my friends, simply is connect this level of a higher low to this lower low, just like that. What I will do next is simply drag the very same support line that I have just drawn here and just simply place it right there at the nearest level of a key supported trend line. And as you can see, the USDJPY is indeed reversing right on that level. So therefore, if it reached that level of a 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, it will also, maybe we can expect a small drawdown, maybe of maybe 20 pips only, and after that the USDJPY will continue the rise toward our target at 155.362, which means, let me actually, you know what, based on that, I would like to adjust my entry to be right here exactly at the bottom of that support at 153.766, which actually can give us a better entry for the USDJPY. Therefore, we have to wait for the pair to fall to another 25 pips before we can buy it, and targeting at least 158 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support at 152.998. A safe zone will be ranging for around 76 pips, targeting 160 pips of profit. That's everything, my friends, for the USDJPY. Let's now move to the NZDUSD. So NZDUSD is also going in the right direction without being activated. Now let me just make it short for you, my friends, that we are still looking to short the NZDUSD. We will just also adjust the entry of the NZDUSD, same like what we did with the with the AUDUSD. It's just gonna be right here at the bottom. Oh, sorry, actually bottom. The top of the support. I'm just writing the signal for you. It will be actually at the top of the resistance. What am I saying? I mean, sometimes I'm just really bluffing. I don't know what I'm talking about. Right here, of course, we have the resistance at 0.590, and the NZDUSD is going toward that level of a resistance. I believe that this is going to be actually a better level to short this pair after it rises to another 14 or 15 pips, keeping, of course, the same take profit level of 0.578. And that's everything, my friends, for the NZDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCHF. I will be honest with you, actually NZDUSD somehow is boring because it's just correlated to the AUDUSD. I mean, if you analyze the AUDUSD, you're practically done with the NZDUSD. Therefore, I really feel like it's boring to reanalyze it again. That's why I just go fast with the NZDUSD. Maybe we will consider replacing it with another pair. Anyway, USDCHF has actually been activated, my friends, and as you can see, it's running so far in around 43 pips of profit. If you guys have taken these signals, please share with us in the comments. Let everybody to know the quality of Xtreme trader signals, and of course, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So What's next now with the USDCHF? Actually, not much. We are still looking to long this pair. We just have here a new entry that can be actually used exactly right here at that level of a support as 0.684. As we can see in the past, this was of course a strong key level of a support which has already become a resistance, and then here after the bullish breakout candle happened, right here we can see that the same level of a support is indeed being respected. So therefore, if the USDCHF dropped for another 20 pips, we can continue buying it, targeting of course the resistance at 0.890, aiming around 60 pips of profit. So therefore, let me just highlight that we can buy again at 0.884. And that will be actually your best entry in my opinion for the USDCHF. And in the end, my friends, I'm happy to say that the gold signal has actually reversed yesterday to around 337 pips of profit, currently 182 pips. It was surely a perfect signal, and again I would like to hear your opinion about it, and if you guys took it, let us know in the comments as well. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.